Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to migrate your Shopify store to ShopBase. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, on the left side of the screen, we have the home, orders, we have the products, fulfillment, analytics, marketing and sales, contact, app settings, and the online store. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and migrate your Shopify store to your ShopBase. So migrating your Shopify store to ShopBase can be done using the Migrate ShopBase app. Here's the step-by-step how to do it. So install the Migrate ShopBase app from your Shopify admin and go to apps and search Migrate to ShopBase. Install the app. So you can basically do it. The Shopify apps are in the left side of the screen and here on ShopBase, but you can do this in Shopify. Then in Shopify, go to Settings, Apps and Sales and Channels, Develop Apps, create an app and follow the prompts to create a custom app that will allow to migrate to ShopBase app to access your Shopify data. Then import products to Shopify base, sync additional data, and verify the migration. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.